Juvenile crimes remain high in the metro, but a push for convictions is seeing a hurdle.
Some prosecutors are working to try teens accused of violent crimes as adults, but those petitions can be difficult to get approved. Jay Coles joins us with a look at why prosecutors and judges may not be seeing eye to eye.
You know, Kevin, it's a very difficult and complex process without easy answers many times. And this is a look at one case in Washington County that lays out the complexities. A big rise in carjackings like these over the past few years often involved young adults and juveniles. One man whose identity we're protecting experienced it firsthand when his wife and two children were carjacked by teenagers with a gun in 2021.
It's been a challenge. Every time something pops up, you know, it just kind of brings back some of the emotions.
One of those teens, who is now 16, was convicted in the case. And these Washington County court records show that same juvenile has a long list of violent crimes since he was just 13.
You know, an individual that has such a lengthy record of not just like small crimes, but really, really bad crimes.
This shows the Washington County attorney wanted the juvenile tried as an adult this year after his arrest for fleeing police and carrying a loaded gun. A psychologist recommended adult certification, but Judge Sheridan Hawley ruled against that recommendation and did not certify him as an adult.
The judge is saying, I'm not willing to send this 16-year-old to prison yet. I want a different court, Hennepin County, where most of this kid's cases are happening, to make that decision, not me.
University of St. Thomas legal expert Rachel Moran says this case highlights the challenge courts face deciding whether a kid should be tried as an adult.
This is a case where the child is presumptively supposed to be treated as an adult, but the judge made a different decision anyway.
In your professional opinion, do you think the judge followed the law?
I think the judge probably knows they didn't follow the law very closely.
Now, I didn't name the juvenile because he has not yet been certified as an adult, and the Washington County attorney has appealed the judge's decision to the Court of Appeals, which could take several months for a decision. Reporting live in the newsroom, Jay Coles, 5 Eyewitness News.